Hello, I'm Terry Barker, and this is Today. You've gathered your family together, collected a bunch of documents and information, started working on your family tree, but maybe not the way your great grandmother might have done it. These days, there are many online tools and software packages to help you visualize and grow your family tree. Under the hood of just about all of these choices is a file format called GEDCOM. GEDCOM is the genealogy industry standard used by most genealogy applications such as Family Tree Maker, RootsMagic, and Legacy, as well as online sites including Ancestry.com and FamilySearch.org. Some mornings, I like to start the day with a personal connection to the past and find out who was born and who died on this day. That's where Today comes in. Based on your input, it reads through your GEDCOM file and provides the information in an easy-to-read format. I enjoy using this data to help me with maintenance and upkeep of my family tree. What will you use it for? Thank you for watching.